Today, as in every year, every year, every year, Christmas fast is nearly here, nearly here, nearly here. Presents, family, and forgiveness. Best day of the year is Christmas. I'm happy, you're happy, Santa Claus is coming soon.
Boring. Back to solving exciting crimes.
Today, as in every year, every year, every year, Christmas fast is nearly here, nearly here, nearly here. The 24th of December, of December, of December
is the date we all remember.
'Cause Santa Claus is coming with the Christmas train.
Wait, what kind of Christmas train?
Well, in this village, it is custom that every Christmas a decorated train goes through the village to bring presents and sweets.
And when does it come?
Tonight, it's going to be a great party.
What a great party.
Yes, you're right.
Wait, my money is stolen.
Where's my gold necklace?
My diamond! We were robbed.
What's going on here?
During the celebration, all the houses were robbed.
We have to solve the case. I'll hire my best man.
Yes?
Phil Brones, have you already heard it?
What?
The big robbery! During the celebration today, the half of the villagers were robbed.
Aha.
You have to solve the case.
Oh man, do I have to?
You are my best man, and I surely won't leave this important case up to some stupid bumblers.
Is there no other one for sure? Christmas. I don't want to do.
Don't make such a fuss about it and finally start.
Oh, great. So, where were you during the festival?
At the Christmas party.
That's understood.
It was wonderful.
That was clear. What was stolen from you?
My emergency savings.
My diamond.
My nice gold necklace.
Good, good.
And?
I've got an idea.
So?
The train. It arrived 30 minutes too late. And after that, bandits had only a short span of time. Only a few knew about the delay, including, of course, the conductor. And as I've heard, he should have behaved suspiciously the last few days.
And you think that he was it?
Yup. I don't have proof yet, but tomorrow I'm going to visit him.
We will see.
Hello, what's up?
Hello, I'm Officer Brones, and I'm investigating yesterday's break-in during the party.
Yo, is that right? The wonderful Christmas, ruin it.
Oh, yeah. Well, do you mind if I ask you some questions?
Sure, come in.
So, what time did the train leave?
Had to be about 6 p.m. Unfortunately a bit too late because of some problems.
And why this delay?
My friend Herbert was late because of that.
Who is this Herbert?
My buddy, he was the one who threw candy off the train, dressed as Santa Claus. He lives 2 houses from the town hall, if you want to question him either.
Thank you, then have a nice day. Hey you, aren't you the security chief at the party yesterday, Mr. Limbers?
Limbers, yes, that's me. And you're the cop, Broads, right? I've read a lot of good things about you.
Thank you.
You are investigating the case, right?
Yep.
You know, the conductor, he seems suspicious to me. He's met some bad people lately, so I wanted to visit him.
I'm still unsure about him. I wanted to ask this Herbert first now.
I don't think the guy has anything to do with it, but just do it. Good luck.
Thank you. Too bad, he's not at home.
Browns, please help me.
What happened?
The conductor, he knocked me down.
Wait, I didn't do anything wrong. Believe me. Officer Browns, help me. They want to arrest me unfairly.
Great job, Browns.
Somehow, I don't think it was him. He had no reasons.
Come on, we even found some of the stolen stuff at the conductor's.
That's it. It was too obvious. Did he already confess?
Not yet, he's still lying to us. We're also still searching for his accomplices who committed the robbery, but we have almost no clues.
I'll take another look at this Herbert. Alright, second try.
Are you looking for Herbert?
Yeah, do you know where he is?
Unfortunately, no. I haven't seen him since the festival.
Thanks anyway. Hello Limbers, I have to ask you some questions about the incident yesterday.
Of course, come in.
So, what exactly happened?
Well, I met you in front of the house of the conductor. Then I went in and confronted him with my guess. He denied it, but when I left he ran after me and threatened me. When I told him I would go to the police, he attacked me.
Okay, do you know where this Herbert is?
I don't know, I haven't seen him since a few days. I hope nothing bad happened to him.
And? What's he saying so far?
Still that he's innocent.
I'll talk to him.
Officer Browns, you have to believe me. I'm innocent.
Then why did you attack the security chief Limbers?
I didn't.
What happened in your opinion?
He came to me and said I would be a criminal. Then I expulsed him.
And you didn't run after him?
No, why should I?
What's about the stolen things we found at yours?
No idea.
It's hard.
Hey, I thought you're searching for Herbert. I've seen him at the bar down the street.
Wait, aren't you Herbert?
Yes, who wants to know that?
I'm Officer Browns and... Stay here.
No, let me go.
First tell me what's going on here.
I'll tell you nothing.
Then I have to bring you to the police department.
No prison.
Then tell me why you ran away from me. Are you behind the robbery?
Yes. No, I'm just a victim.
Look, you cooperate and then I'll see what I can do for you.
Yeah, good.
Come on.
First of all, I was forced.
to all of that.
From whom? From the conductor?
Tommy? Nonsense. He had no idea.
Then who was it?
Limbers, of course.
The security chief?
Who else?
And I should believe you that.
It's true. He was tired of all of that. He went nuts.
And why are you sitting in the bar and getting drunk?
He tricked me. Took the stolen stuff himself. And my friend?
The conductor.
Exactly. He wanted to blame the conductor for it. He threatened me. And I didn't want to go to the police. I don't want to go to jail.
Good. Thanks. I'll see what I can do for you.
Limbers, you mean? Come on, that's ridiculous.
He could just have staged the attack. And the stolen items at the conductors could also be from him.
The only evidence is a drunken madman. That's Hucky.
I'll go after that anyway.
So, officer, what gives me the honor?
I finally found Herbert.
Who?
A friend of the conductor. You know him. He claimed that you are behind the robbery.
Me? Ugh, come on. I'm the head of security. Why should I?
Why? I don't know. But you are definitely suspicious.
I assure you that I'm innocent.
Then you certainly won't mind if I take a look around here.
Ah, shit.
Don't do stupid things.
Oh god, just let me escape.
Not by a long shot.
I have a lot of money.
Stolen money. You can't blackmail me.
Oh, come on. I know you hate the whole thing, just like me. All those rich people who are wasting their money. What do we care? Just garbage.
You're quite right. But what should I do with all the money? Solving crimes is my life, and I'm the best in it. I can't live without it, and our commissioner probably can't work without me. I've never left a crime unsolved, and never let an offender escape. You're just another of my successors.
That's an argument.
You have no way out. Take it down and nothing happens to you.
Well, your own fault.
Ah!
You should have accepted my offer.
What happened?
Where is he?
Who?
Limbers, he's escaping.
He didn't come here.
Shit, the back exit. Here he was. He drove off. Let's follow the tire tracks.
Where could he go?
I have already an idea. As I guessed, he hid the stolen things in the train. Come on, follow him. Stop the train, you crazier. You'll kill us both.
Don't try to manipulate me. I know such tricks.
Oh shit.